To pursue graduation, there are many options for students like BSc in chemistry, microbiology, zoology, botany, physics, mathematics, statistics, and so on. But today I will talk about BSc in forensic science. So I will discuss what is forensic science, eligibility criteria for it, colleges, fees, and career opportunities. Hello guys, I am Tushar Rajaram Ahire. Welcome back to my channel Tushar's Online Forensics. So without any delay, let's explore the forensics. What is forensic science? So the forensic science is the application of scientific knowledge in criminal investigation and legal problems related to it. In simple word, it is the investigative science. So for more details and better understanding, you can watch our video What is Forensic Science? The link is in description box and on I button too. Now I will tell you the real and important scenario in forensic science. Whatever you see in the TV shows and serials, it is just an exaggeration. It is impossible to handle all the divisions by single person. So there are different departments for each sections like forensic physics, chemistry, biology, toxicology, crime scene management, cyber forensics, fingerprint and question documents, forensic ballistics, and DNA fingerprinting. There are different experts in each division to handle the concerned cases. So you have to study each and every subject in your bachelor degree. Eligibility. So the eligibility for BSc Forensic Science is 10 plus 2. Means candidate should pass 10 plus 2 with PCM, PCB or PCMB group. Then the person is eligible to get an admission in forensic science. Colleges for BSc Forensic Sciences in India. So there are number of colleges in India for the bachelor degree in forensic science. This is the list of colleges for forensic science. You can visit the official website of colleges for detailed admission process. There are some government colleges and number of private colleges in India. You can search and get the information about it. Fees. Now talking about fees. So every college or university have different fee structure. It means the charge for private college is from 1 lakh to 1.5 lakh per year. For semi-government colleges, it is 50 to 70,000 per year, and for government colleges, it is 5 to 7,000 per year. Career opportunities. So the final and important part of this video is career opportunities after BSc Forensic Science. After completing BSc Forensic Science, you can get the government jobs like forensic expert, forensic scientist, investigation officer, crime scene investigator, forensic auditor, crime reporter, a laboratory analyst, legal counselor, and you can work as a fraud analyst in banks. But to get these opportunities, you must qualify the Public Service Commission exams conducted by the concerned department, and SSC exams. None of the college or university can place you there. Also, you can work in a private firm like bank and insurance companies as fraud analyst, private detective and investigation firms. Also, you can start your own legal consultancy and investigation company. But the harsh truth is there are very less opportunities after BSc Forensic Science. You need to go for higher studies like MSc and PG diplomas in forensic science field. So you can get more opportunities. The reason behind getting your higher studies done is you can enhance your skills by choosing a specialized course after BSc in forensic science. Better job opportunities are available for students with a master degree. Students can pursue higher education from abroad universities. After MSc, you can go for PhD to do research in a field and can get more and best job opportunities. So this was all about the BSc Forensic Science and career opportunities. Hope you have liked the video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to explore the forensics. Please comment your thoughts in comment box. Like and share the video to your friends and family. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay tuned to the TOF. Bye bye. Thank you.